One of our favourite things to do is to melt up some old gold. It's always interesting, the flames and the borax and the colours you get. You've got to get that into a nice molten blob. Once it's all running, we can pour it out of the crucible into the mould. This customer wanted to use some of her old diamonds, and also we used some initials and incorporated the initials into a flowing pattern around the top of the ring with the diamonds raised so they didn't stick out the back, and just created a very interesting pattern. You don't even know it has initials on it till you look closely. It just looks like scrolls and initials all entwined. Very happy customer. Customer liked it.